Good day everyone. So by the way, I am Michelle Dampug. So today I'll be presenting about the Prince Edward Island Physical Education Curriculum. So this curriculum is designed in Canada, specifically in the province of Prince Edward Island. So it focuses on the developing physical literacy, movement skills, health, and positive relationships among the students. So again, this curriculum comes from Prince Edward Island from the Canada. It was developed by the PEI or Prince Edward Island Department of Education and Early Childhood Development for students from kindergarten to grade 6. So the focus is not just on physical activity but on physical literacy, health, movement, and building social relationships. So this is the proof para visible din sa inyo. So yeah. So now let's talk about the overall goal of the curriculum. So the overall goal is to help students gain knowledge, skills, and positive attitudes towards active living. It aims to make them physically literate and well-rounded individuals who value health, movement, and social responsibility. Simply it about preparing students for lifelong health and well-being. So again, this is the proof. Next is the standards. The curriculum standards are outcome-based, built with around 3 goals, which is the active living, skillful movement, and relationships. So if we compare these to the Philippines, our DepEd standards also focused on physical fitness and movement skills, but the Prince Edward Island puts stronger emphasis on holistic development. So next is the content of the curriculum. The content covers several areas like health-related fitness, fundamental movement skills, movement concepts, rhythmical movement and dance, safety and cooperation, and cultural and historical aspects of activities. So this shows a balance between fitness, creativity, and cultural appreciation. Next is how content is achieved. So lessons are taught through inquiry-based learning. Students reflect on their activities and integrate physical education with other subjects. So the approach encourages exploration, creativity, and inclusion. So learning is more engaging and student-centered. So again, this is the proof. Next is time allotment. So in Prince Edward Island, physical education is scheduled for 75 minutes per week or 90 minutes in a 6-day cycle. So this equals about 46 hours per year. Classes are usually held at least 30 minutes every other day, which is more frequent than we usually see here in the Philippines. So again, this is the proof. Next is the unique features. So what makes this curriculum unique is its strong focus on holistic wellness, not just physical but also mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It values relationship building and cultural appreciation. It also highlights inclusivity by ensuring that students with disabilities are supported and involved. Next is the curriculum comparison table. Here, we can see a direct comparison between Prince Edward Island and the Philippine curriculum. So for example, in Prince Edward Island offers more time per week, uses an inquiry-based approach, and strongly promotes inclusion and cultural integration. The Philippines, on the other hand, has shorter time, focuses more on structured skills, and has limited inclusion. In terms of standards, the Prince Edward Island uses outcome-based standards that focus on active living, movement, and relationships. Assessment is done through indicators and rubrics. So here in the Philippines, uses competency-based standards with assessments done mainly through performance and written tasks. So in conclusion, The Prince Edward Curriculum is a progressive and inclusive model of physical education. It goes beyond skill building to promote identity, social responsibility, and cultural awareness, and lifelong health. This makes physical education more meaningful and impact for students. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of the Prince Island physical education curriculum and how it compares to ours. Thank you.